This video I'm going to be showing you my personal fine opinion about GVSI good vibration shoes. Okay, before I get into the saucy part, disclaimer: nothing on the channel constitutes professional and financial advice. Everything is my personal fine opinion. So that out of the way, starting with the video, what I really want you to look at right now is the bottom right corner or this performance corner. Okay, beautiful. We can see that everything's bullish. Love to see it. So with GVSI, I'm going to start from a higher time frame like this. Unfortunately, this thing has been kind of going down. Now we had a pretty beautiful bullish moves. Okay, sitting at 3 cents or so, and actually this is a pretty good movement. Although again, there is not a lot of movement there, but the I don't like the volume. But in the past few days, it kind of has been great. Now I'm expecting these highs to continue to get cleared. Therefore, yeah, I'm definitely looking. If I go like daily chart right now, this is my prediction to continue with the highs like this or this. Yeah.